Hi traders, hope you all doing good. It's been long time, almost a year. Last year May I started this YouTube channel, and after that there are a lot of things happened. I lost my father. Then there were master class being conducted, so it goes on, and I don't have much time because I need to take care of dad's business and other things are here to be done. So I have little time to spend with markets, and moreover to make these videos I don't have time at all. So what I felt was I need to keep myself engaged making these videos again, but this time I want to keep it a 1 or 2 videos per week. Especially I want to keep a trade plan for every Thursday or whichever day the weekly expiry falls on, because most of them are trading weekly expiry. So I felt let me give my view and the ranges for every week expiry so someone can make use of it. Okay, and coming to the markets, for newbies who doesn't know about me, so I use market profile for my analysis along with the price action, and right now I had clubbed open interest for my trade. So without any further delay, let's go and analyze what market did today and what is market going to do tomorrow. I mean likely trade zones, likely auction. Okay, so market opened here and started scaling down along with Bank Nifty. So the Bank Nifty was the one which pulled Nifty down, and when it was scaling down, it couldn't push below this. It was struggling to go down here. Okay, it was struggling to go down. So what I felt was, if bears want to show serious strength, they need to break this 15180. So if that 15180 breaks on a pullback, I thought to go for a short for this VPOC as a target. But what it did was, it was struggling to go down and it started just showing some signs of recovery. So I felt I need to take a very low risk entry here at 15204 via 15,100 in the money call, where my stop loss was very minimal for the target of 15285 and 15325 VPOC zone. This VPOC zone been not tested for long time. If you see that, on 12th March, if I am right, 12th March, this VPOC had been formed, this POC. The VPOC is nothing but the POC which not been tested. Okay, so that is called virgin point of control. So 15325 was the zone, and if you see today, it just hit on dot and then started coming down. So these kind of trades, I seriously say, a trade not to be missed, because any of the trade you take, your loss is going to be a fixed loss of your 1 hour. Your 1 hour is fixed. So a trade like this where your stop loss is 10 to 15 points for a target of 120 points, nearly I would say you will get a 9 to 10 hour move very easily. That too, when you align a trade along with the trend, you don't need to worry. So I want to talk about this. Most of you never understand what risk management is. Even myself, during my career, initial career, I used to be. I bluntly go take random trades, leave random trades, random risk. I won't say even trades. On any given day, let's say you have a 10 lakh account. You should fix a risk per trade before the market opens. That risk should be the same until your 10 lakh becomes 11 lakh or 12 lakh. Don't vary the risk. So if you fix a risk of 10,000 per trade, whatever trade you are losing, the P&L should show 10,000 or less than 10,000. That is your 1 hour. And if your system try to give 1:2 for your 1 hour, if it gives 2 hour, then even if you win 60% of the time, in 10 trades, even if you win 6 times, you will be net positive. What most people do, most traders do, one trade they will be losing 10,000, one trade they will be losing 1 lakh, one trade they will be taking the total capital as a risk, especially the option traders, thinking they will make or they will become crorepati in that one trade. It's all sheer nonsense. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If you ask me whether you didn't do that, yeah, I had done it, and it never yielded the result, and many are doing it. They are keep busting the account. So never ever do that. Fix your 1 hour. Tomorrow when you go and trade, you need to know what is the risk per trade. That risk per trade should be the same till your account equity grows, till your capital grows. If 10 lakh account becomes 9,50,000, if your initial risk was 10,000, now you should reduce to at least 8,000 to 7,000. When your account equity dips, you should reduce your risk. When your account equity grows, you can increase your risk. That doesn't mean from 10,000 you can straight away go to 20,000 risk. Not that way. Gradual way. But this is a heads up. What Bank Nifty did today? Bank Nifty again opened flat, came down, just took some support here, started going above towards yesterday's value area high, just spent more time and did nothing. It's a kind of normal day. So now what is the plan for tomorrow? So this zone is key. This 15,325 is key. On higher side, this level 15,375 and 15,340. Okay, these are the levels to be watched on the higher side tomorrow. 15,375 and 15,340. Okay. If market goes above 15,375, then only it's a strong bullish tone. Else, even if it opens here and breaks 15,325 on the pullback, I will be buying, looking for 15,345 and 15,360. Nothing much. The bigger trend will start only if it breaks 15,375 or 90 mark. Till that, we will just juggle around here. On the lower side, if we open here or below this and breaks this level 15,250, okay, if he breaks 15,250 and goes down On the pullback, I will be shorting looking for 15,160 and even 15,120. This VPOC also will get hit. And if you open here somewhere between and don't do anything, okay, and tomorrow's expiry is going to be very, very choppy, and within this range, it is going to be within this range. On Bank Nifty, the same case. If you open gap down, okay, if you open gap down and breaks this mark 34,500, okay, we are on for this VPOC. We are on for this 34,200 and 34,155 VPOC, okay. So on the higher side, if you see, there are a lot of resistance here. So unless we don't break 35,000, okay, unless we don't break 35,000 with momentum, there is no upside business for me. So tomorrow for Bank Nifty, the range could be this, okay, 34,100. And on higher side it will be 35,100, so nearly about 1,000 point range tomorrow. So that looks a thing. If market opens somewhere here, okay, market opens somewhere here, then totally it is going to be writer's day mostly, okay, not much is going to happen. So that is my view as of now post markets. And if there is any change of view, I will play accordingly, okay. So thank you so much, and let me know if you have some feedbacks, let me know. And on OI front, Nifty have the highest put open interest at 15,200. And on call side it is 15,500, so the range is between this. So we are near this zone, so we need to watch how it goes. So let's see how we are going to play tomorrow. So if there is any change of view, I will let you know, guys, okay. So take care all. As always, respect risk, and if there is a trade, go for a trade, else stay away. Market is going to stay here for always. Take care, happy trading, bye.